So we're gonna go on a search for mermaids. In 1493, Christopher Columbus wrote that he saw mermaids. But were they really mermaids? No. But it was the first written account of manatees swimming in the Atlantic Ocean in North America. Columbus said he quite distinctly saw 3 mermaids which rose well out of the sea, but they were not so beautiful. Their faces had some masculine traits. So we are going on a search for the mermaids, the manatees, in West Palm Beach, Florida.